Okay, this is the Namco Recirculating Grout Tile Carpet Cleaning Equipment. It recirculates the water when you're doing the tile. You're not going to use it when you're doing the carpet, but this is the filter, standard filter. After 2,000 square feet of cleaning tile, you take the cylinder out, go to a sink and just wash it off. You're ready for another 2,000 square feet. Just goes in here, screw it on, and you're ready to go. And you have the tool here if you need to loosen it up, and I just leave that inside there. You want to start off with about 10 gallons of water. This is going to recirculate from your fresh water to your dirty water when you extract it up. So start off with about 10 gallons. I like to put 5 in the fresh water tank and 5 in the dump tank. So 5 and 5. If you do have hot water, it is preferred, but if you don't have it, it's not necessary. So you turn on your sub pump. That's going to recirculate it from your dirty water to your fresh water. So when you're doing your tile, all switches are going to be in the up mode. You're going to have both back motors and your high PSI pump. Vacuum hose sets up to your vacuum hose bar. Solution hose hooked up to your pressure quick connect. If your water is not flowing out, you have a relief valve here, just like a pressure washer, so it doesn't build up on the trigger. You can release that. This is going to dump all your dirty water when you're finished with the job. So we're going to turn everything on, and we're going to do the tile. But first of all, we're going to have the white lightning right here. I like to put it in the trigger. Kind of do your areas. If you notice here real close, all the grout is really clean on the edges. Where the high traffic areas, that's where you have a lot of your dirt and debris build up. So I like to put my stream on my sprayer, not a fan, but a stream, a straight stream. Kind of spray your grout areas. Turn all your switches on. There's a vacuum saver here. Open it up, it releases vacuum. Cover it up completely. That's going to increase your vacuum. So start off with an area. It's a full vac machine. This will clean your grout and your scum. Trigger compressor here. Just walk backwards with it about 50 feet. Stop your flow. Keep on going to pick up the excess. Go back. Start your second line. Same speed. Second time, you're breathe right through it. over the access. So start your path over here again. I like to, you can move this handle, but you want to get a good flat. All of it has to be on the ground. You don't have to scrub or anything, but I like to go backwards. Just go backwards. Turn your pump on. Take your time. Stop the flow, vacuum. And if you do see a little bit of residue, just pick it up and pick it up. What you want to do is get this to your height and then tighten it down real good. Okay? And you whip down a little bit. Right? What you need to do is raise this up where you feel comfortable with it, because you see how far down it is. It may be loose right now, but what we want to do is get it up and then you can tighten it down. I like to be like this and raise this handle up a little bit so you're not always over it, but just pull back on it. That's all you got to do. That's it. You see the difference? And the white lightning is going to be your best friend. You see how you spray that area? I don't know if this has been cleaned yet, but after you clean this, then you won't have to come back for about another 6 months. But it needs a deep clean right now. It may take you a little bit longer, but after that, you can maintain it right away. It's just not going to get as dirty as quick. What you're doing is getting everything out right now, the hard stuff. But you see your grout lines should all be like that, and you can go over it a few times, but that, like I say, the first time, just carry this with you, and just spray it. Let's get that pump back on. Always leave your sub pump on, because that's going from here into here. Okay?
It doesn't matter, it stays on.
It stays on all the time, because this is going to take your water, filter it, and bring it into here. Every 2,000 square feet, that's where you take your filter off, clean it, and then dump the water out and put in fresh water. Then you can do another 2,000 square feet, but that's a lot of square footage. You probably do this whole room right here and then change the water out. So when you come in here, and if you notice your pump isn't pumping, that means you're not getting enough flow back into here. In some cases, what you want to do is turn your sub pump off. I go ahead and just take this off, this filter here, because it's not letting enough water come back into your freshwater tank. So just take this off. And I just leave that off for now.
Oh, you can run it down.
Yeah, you see how fast it's running now? Because you're moving a lot of water. That's probably close to 1,500 psi. So just leave that off. You see how fast it's coming back in now? You see how clean it is? Yeah. This filter here is going to be enough for you to get keep all the debris out of it. If you don't see any spray coming out, then you don't have any water in here, so you need to put water back into it. Right here is a tip cleaning, just like for your tips, and I think it's like the second or third one. If you don't see any water coming out of the wand, and this works on any tip. Yeah. So what you do is just come in here, take your tip, clean it out, and that'll clean out all your tips. Okay. So you hear your pump there. That means that it's ready to go because you have water back in here. So you can turn your unit back on. Now you hear the turbo kick in? Do you hear that? If it gets a little water, just stop your spray. That floor might be uneven right there. You just suck up your excess. Okay? Just spray that area down right there. That's good. Like I say, stop your spray, vacuum up. Spray a little bit up there.